Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create multilingual reports in Power BI. By the end of this step-by-step tutorial, you'll be able to build reports where your labels and data switch dynamically between different languages, like English and French at the click of a button. This is super helpful if you're sharing dashboards with teammates or customers who speak different languages, and it'll make your reports way more accessible and impressive. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First off, imagine we're working with a sample sales dataset. Our table includes products like laptops, mice, keyboards, monitors, and printers, and we've already got their names in both English and French right in the table. That's going to form the foundation for our multilingual setup. Next up, we need a way for users to actually choose their preferred language, so we'll create a simple language table. It's just two columns. One for the language ID, think of this like a code or index, and another for the language name itself, such as English or French. This table is essential because it'll allow us to add a slicer right onto the report, giving users a simple menu to pick their language. Just add this table to your report and make sure it shows up as a slicer on your canvas. Now, here's an important step that really brings the multilingual magic to life. We need to create a special measure that will display the product names based on whichever language the user selects. To do this, right-click your table in the Data pane, whichever table has your product names, and click New Measure. Here, you'll paste a formula that dynamically chooses either the English or French product name depending on the slicer selection. And here's a tip. The exact formula depends on how your data is set up. For me, my tables are set up one way, but yours might be a bit different. The key is to follow the pattern. The formula will look up the selected language, then pull the corresponding field, like Product 10 for English or Product FR for French. If you're not sure, take a moment to match the formula with your own columns. Don't worry if it takes a couple tries to get right. This is common when building out dynamic measures. With our measure in place, it's time to see it in action. Go ahead and add a visualization to your report, maybe a table or a bar chart. Use your dynamic product name measure, which we'll call something like selected product, on the axis or rows, and drop sales onto the values. This setup makes it really clear. As soon as you change the language option in the slicer, all your labels switch automatically. It's satisfying to see how seamlessly the report adapts. Now, just to let you know, you can totally expand this method. You're not limited to product names. This same technique works for measure names, tooltips, and even the actual titles in your report. Think of it as turning your whole dashboard multilingual step by step. And that's it. You now have a Power BI report that can switch languages on the fly, a major upgrade for accessibility and professionalism. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more multilingual reporting tricks. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another Power BI guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.